Robert and Maria's journey to a comfortable retirement. Introduction. Meet Robert and Maria, a couple from Alberta, who are on the brink of retirement. They've worked hard, saved diligently, and now they're looking forward to enjoying their golden years. But like many, they face the challenge of ensuring their savings will support their desired lifestyle. Scene 1. The Dream. Robert, 65, and Maria, 58, dream of a retirement filled with travel, relaxation, and time with family. They recently downsized to a cozy home worth $800,000, but still carry a $420,000 mortgage. They envision spending $208,000 annually, including $15,000 on travel to Asia and Europe. Scene 2. Financial snapshot. Their financial portfolio is robust, with $2.5 million in investments, primarily in North American equities and registered accounts. They also have a defined benefit pension, tax-free savings accounts (TFSA), and a non-registered investment account. Scene 3. Expert advice. Sarah Thompson, a financial planner, who offers critical advice to ensure they can retire comfortably. Pension strategy. Robert can choose to start his public sector pension now or delay it for higher annual payouts. Sarah suggests starting the pension upon retirement to avoid high taxes and depleting investments. Investment approach. Their investment mix of 80% equities and 20% fixed income should provide growth, but creative tax strategies can enhance their finances. Sarah advises converting some investments to make their mortgage interest tax deductible, saving $10,000 annually. CPP and OAS. Delaying Canada Pension Plan CPP benefits to age 65, first higher lifetime income. For Old Age Security OAS, keeping their taxable income below $91,000 will help avoid clawbacks. Scene 4. Financial moves. Robert and Maria plan to use a $113,000 loan receivable to pay down their mortgage. However, Sarah suggests maintaining their existing payments and investing the money instead, as their investments could yield higher returns than the mortgage interest. Scene 5. Retirement income planning. To maintain their lifestyle, Sarah advises a combination of pension income and strategic withdrawals from their registered retirement income funds (RRIF) and non-registered investments. This balanced approach helps meet their $185,000 annual requirement while minimizing taxes. Scene 6. The Singleton Shuffle. An interesting tactic, the Singleton Shuffle, involves using non-registered investments and TFSA to pay off the mortgage, then re-borrowing to invest, making the mortgage interest tax deductible. This strategy can significantly boost their after-tax income, allowing more funds for travel. Scene 7. Final preparations. Robert and Maria are advised to update their wills and powers of attorney to reflect their current wishes. Life insurance might be unnecessary unless the pension survivor benefits are insufficient. Conclusion. With a well-thought-out plan, Robert and Maria can look forward to a fulfilling and financially secure retirement. Their story shows the importance of strategic financial planning and expert advice in turning retirement dreams into reality. Thank you for watching. If you found Robert and Maria's story inspiring, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more retirement planning tips. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.